Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm gonna be short and sweet with the intro, but it's that time of year again and it's happening at home, and I'm talking about school, and us parents have to create a space for our children. So I'm gonna take you along with me and show you the space I created. And I'm actually on my way to the dollar store to get a few more things. I'm not taking you guys along. I'm actually going to get right into the video right now. So let's go. Okay, so this is the space we're working with. We have a nice little nook right here. I'm gonna set him up with everything that he needs for school. Excuse the box. If you're new here, we moved here not too long ago. We're still trying to unpack and organize and figure everything out on top of this whole homeschooling business. So again, this is the area we're gonna be working with. So I'm gonna show you how we set him up. Okay, so here's a quick overview of everything we're using for the setup, including his supplies. This 3-tier cart, which is the best thing on earth. I got this from IKEA many years back. And I'm going to use this male and key hook for his headphones and maybe his folders. We'll figure that out. Here's his folders, some scissors, glue, some hooks I'm gonna need. He picked out a calendar from the Dollar Tree so he could write his assignments and due dates of things, homework. I got, which I thought was really cute, a blow-up globe. So I'll figure out how to incorporate that in his space. These plastic containers from the Dollar Tree, the cork tiles. There are 4 in here. I think there are 4. It was under $7, so it wasn't that bad. And then he actually needed a whiteboard and magnetic letters. He already had it, thank God. He got this from his grandmother, so that worked out perfectly. I didn't have to hunt for that. And this is a bag of magnetic letters. So yes, this is everything we're gonna use, and I'm going to set up his desk, which will be a folding table. So let me show you that. Okay, so before I set up the table, I just want to make sure the area is nice and clean. So I'm going to run the vacuum over the space first. I don't know about you guys, but I could not find a desk anywhere. So the light bulb went off in my head. I went in my storage closet, grabbed the folding table, knocked it down to the lowest level, and bam, I had a desk. And it fits absolutely perfect. And it actually gives Eli enough space to spread out and work. Since the table was in the storage closet, I just wanted to give it a quick wipe down. So I wiped down the table and the chairs with some Lysol. If you're interested in the cart, again, I got mine from IKEA, but you could also go on Amazon and order it. Okay, so I laid everything out that I'm going to use, like I showed you before. And I put the cart on this side because there's an outlet over here. So I figured that he could put his laptop here when it has to charge and just charge it just like that. So it makes it a little easier. So I'm gonna start with this side first and then work my way over here. So let's get going. Okay, you guys, this is it. Eli's homeschool space. I am very happy with the way it came out. I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough. So here's those bulletin board pieces that I got from Walmart, and that's his schedule for the next 2 weeks. So I think as the teacher sends them, I'll put them here so it's right in our face. And then I got these baskets from the Dollar Tree. He needs magnetic letters. I can't talk today. So I put them in the basket. And I'm thinking about separating them, like putting the uppercase letters here and then the lowercase letters here, but I'll do that later. So he has his scissors. He needed a whiteboard, so he has a double-sided one with his pen. I actually have to get more of these, but that'll do until I could get more. He has his computer set up. He has his calendar, which actually doesn't start until next year, so we'll just keep that there. And then here on the cart, he has down here, right now, is the wires for his computer and for his headphones, but he actually has to pick up books in the next couple weeks. So this is really going to be for his school books. But right now I'm just housing the extra supplies and the cords. And then up here is all his pencils and crayons and markers that he need. His headphones that he could easily grab, his glue sticks. And then he needed folders. I'm not sure for what yet, but whatever they are for, they will be here for him. And then another cork board, so he could put any pictures or any homework or anything that's done here. And then I got the globes from the Dollar Tree, which are really cute. This one looks like it's deflating, so hopefully I could find another one that doesn't have a hole in it. I have to find out and see if there's a hole in it. Anyway, so I put those up there just to add a little, you know, touch to his space. But yeah, here is the space. And I think it works. So the best part of this space is that I had a lot of the things that I needed and wanted to use right in my home. I didn't have to go out there and buy anything, so there was no need to really stress. You know, all I needed to buy, honestly, was just the supplies, and that was it. So check what you have at home first before you go out there making yourself crazy. And also, just get what you need. I just got everything that was on his supply list. I didn't go much beyond that. His room was not going to be transformed into a classroom. It was not a classroom theme room. He just needed a space where he could comfortably work and be productive. Okay, guys, that is it for now. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and of course, subscribe, and I will see you at my next video. Bye.